Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating an elephant, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to want to do is make an upside down letter C. From here we're going to make our elephant's trunk, so let's close that up a little and come down, close that up a little and come down, and then close that up. Now we're going to make his ears. So this shape is a little bit tricky. We start about right here. It's almost like a really long letter S, and we come down. Do the same on the other side, a really long letter S, and come down. And then we close those up with a curved line on each side. Let's put a few hairs at the top. We can say that this is a baby elephant. And then for his eyes, they're going to be wide set, meaning that they're not going to be very close on the piece of paper. Did you see how I made a smaller circle inside each of these ovals? That's for the shine mark for the elephant. Let's put a little bit of detail in his trunk. And if you do have room, you can even make some tusks coming down. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make his body. And to make an elephant's body, this is a cartoon elephant, we're just going to make him nice and big and round. Let's bring that line in a little bit, go up and over and down, and then we'll make some feet in the back as well. Let's make some toes, which are a series of U's. And if you'd like to go back up and make some eyebrows, that always adds a little bit of expression to animals. All right, for the background, I'm just going to make a straight line, jump over my elephant, just like that. Then I might add a few little plants. And then if I have room, I might even add a mountain in the back. So let me add a line here, coming up and coming back down. Maybe I'll have another line going this way. That just adds a little bit more detail. If you'd like to put a cloud or two in the sky, that's always a good idea. And it fills up a little bit of space. Whoops, I forgot his tail. So let's put his tail about right here, sticking out from the back. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thanks for watching.